Ever seen a vegetable that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie? Meet Romanesco broccoli. Today, we're diving into how you can grow this stunning veggie right in your own garden. Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I am Moses. If this is your first time visiting, don't forget to hit the like button. So, approximately 6 to 7 weeks ago, I started Romanesco seeds in a container such as this. I put 3 seeds in this 4-cell container, and then once they started to sprout, I took the strongest ones and placed them in here up potting. And as you know, I hate up potting, but I have come to realize that sometimes it is necessary. So after up potting 4 of these, 2 of them died, and I think that's because of me trying to push them too much by giving them a liquid fertilizer, and they couldn't handle it. The other 2 have grown relatively well and are doing good. They have been hard enough outside, so today we're going to go ahead and put them into the raised bed that I want them to go in. Before we do that, though, we need to go ahead and clean up the raised bed by removing the spent lettuce that is in there. So we're going to go ahead and do that before we do the planting. So we have removed the spent lettuce, and next we're going to move out of the way rather the drip tape. It will be replaced momentarily, and we're going to add some of my compost that we made in our indoor composter that we got from Vigo, and we're going to add this. Then we have some more in the actual canister. Try to get the rest out of here. And next, we're just going to rake it in with our hand rake. Big worms. Okay, let's smooth out this area. And let's go to this one. Okay, let's spread everything back out and then get ready to plant. Okay, now we can go ahead and put our drip tape back down and then get our Romanesco to plant. Okay, since these plants get kind of big, I'm going to plant them relatively about 8 to 12 inches apart from each other. So all we're going to do is remove our label, and I want it planted next to a drip emitter. I want it to be planted the same depth as what it is here in this container. But before we put it into the ground, I'm taking some of my fertilizer concoction. This is blood meal, bone meal, and a general purpose tomato fertilizer. I'm going to take a handful, put it in the hole, move it around inside, and we're going to pop one of these out. And as you can see, has nice roots. And we're going to place it into its new home. Backfill, press down, and just like that, we have one in. And we're going to plant the other one on the other side of it, or rather across from it, and do the same thing. This one has its original leaves from the seeds there, so I'm just going to pinch them off, and you can see nice root development. We're going to pop that into the hole, backfill, press it down, and just like that, we're good to go. Now, what I'm going to do that may be a little different from what I do normally is I'm going to put a little mulch around them, and then I'm going to water them, but I'm also going to turn on my drip system and let it run for a couple hours to ensure that they get a good drench. So as you can see, we have both of them in, and they should be doing real good. They love full sun and rich soil, which is something that we have a abundance here. Um, I will be watering them consistently, and I will be watching out for pests, even though in the wintertime, the pest pressure isn't as hard as it is during the spring and summer and fall. And if everything goes according to plan, in about 4 to 5 months, I'll have my very first Romanesco broccoli grown. So I hope you enjoyed this video of how you can plant Romanesco broccoli in your garden. It will definitely beautify it, and it's a different form of broccoli than the ones that we normally grow, or most of us normally grow. I love the shape of it. It's conical, looks like it's something out of a sci-fi movie. And from what I've read, the taste is pretty good. So I'm looking forward to my very first Romanesco harvest. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but the one thing I cannot grow is this channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.